This is Oppo Reno 13 5G smartphone, and if you want to hide your application, then this is the video for you. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on security and privacy. Scroll down to the bottom, there you will see the option of hide apps. Click on this, click on get started. Firstly, you have to set your privacy password. Click on settings. Here you can type a 6-digit password or you can use a different password type. Here you can select pattern, alphanumeric or 4 to 16-digit password. Here I'm selecting pattern. Draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Answer a security question and then click on confirm. Click on get started. And now there are two ways by which you can access your hidden application. You can either select access via home screen or you can select access via dial pad. My favorite one is dial pad. Select this one and then click on settings. Now you have to set your access code to access your hidden application, but keep in mind you have to start your access code with hash and also end it with hash. For example, I'm selecting hash 12345 hash. After this, click on done and then click on done. Now click on add application. It will show all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Select the application you want to hide. For example, I want to hide my files. And now come back. Now if you want to access your hidden application, then simply open your dialer and then type your access code. Then it will show your hidden application. So that's how you can hide and access your hidden application in Oppo Reno 13 5G smartphone.